In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Wise account to a bank account. It's quick and simple, so let's walk through the steps together. The first thing you'll want to do is click the link in the description, which will take you straight to the Wise sign-up page. From there, you can create your free account using your email address. Or if you want it even faster, you can sign up with your Google or Apple account. Below, you can see an option, Get Your Gift. Click on it to receive the special offer from Wise. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Wise homepage. On your home screen, you'll see your balance, and just below it, you'll notice three options: Send, Add Money, and Request. Go ahead and tap on the green Send button. If you haven't linked your bank account before, you'll need to add it as a recipient. Wise will ask you to select the currency you want to send in, for example, US dollars, euros, or British pounds. After that, choose Enter Bank Details, then select Myself if you're transferring to your own account. Enter your bank details carefully and confirm. This will save your bank account as a recipient for future transfers. Once your bank account is added, go back to your Wise dashboard and tap Send Again. Now you'll see your saved bank account appear on the recipient list. Select it, then enter the amount you want to send. For example, if you've got $50 in your Wise balance and you want to cash it out, just type $50. At the bottom, you'll see a summary box showing how the money will be sent, any fees involved, and the estimated delivery time. For many transfers, Wise is instant, but depending on the currency and your bank, it may take a little longer. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. Wise will then show you a transfer summary screen with all the details: the amount you're sending, the fees, the estimated arrival time, and the recipient bank information. Double check that everything is correct before confirming. If you're happy with the details, tap Confirm and Send. In some cases, Wise may ask you to re-enter your password or verify with a Face ID, Touch ID, or security code. Once you confirm, Wise will start processing your transfer. Most of the time, your money arrives very quickly, sometimes within seconds. But in rare cases, depending on the bank and currency, it might take a little longer. When it goes through, you'll see a confirmation screen showing that your transfer has been sent. You can also view the details anytime under your transaction history. And that's it. You've just sent money from your Wise account to your bank account. If you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.